Aquarius. Dogs are talkable and can read and write and can get things done. Pisces. Dogs are black, blue, tan, they are fake and are money boxes. Aries. Dogs are standing headless and good at dancing. They can be brought to class. Taurus. Dogs' names are Duke, Duker, and Dukest. They can be a bit greedy and jealous. Gemini. Dogs are hard-working, reliable, and good at organizing. They can be too serious and love Chanoa. Cancer. Dogs are good, barkable, and in the dog pound. They are chewless and good. Leo. Dogs have curly coats, big sharp teeth, and big sharp nails, though. Virgo. Dogs are last in dog races, passed dogs out, and the other dogs passed that dog out. Libra. Dogs hate everything except people, pet shops, and babies, though. Scorpio. Dogs make a great leader, have secret clubs, and are waiters. Sagittarius. Dogs are good learners and are newspaper journals. They sometimes are tired. Capricorn. Dogs are casts, bullies, and hate to be out of TV.